Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll show you how to cook a hot dog in a microwave. So what we need is hot dog bun, and any toppings you like. I'll use ketchup and mustard. So to cook a hot dog is very simple. Just take the hot dog, and I like to wrap it in a paper towel. And this is optional. I just think it seems better when it's wrapped in a paper towel, but if you don't have it, you can just put the hot dog in a microwave on a plate. So I wrap it in a paper towel and put it in the microwave, and I microwave one hot dog for 1 minute. Now the microwave is done cooking, so let's take a look. So here is perfectly cooked hot dog. And let me take it out of the microwave. And now I also like to warm the bun. Let's put bun on a plate and just microwave it for 15 seconds. And now the bun is warm, and let's assemble the hot dog. So I'm going to put a hot dog on a bun and add the toppings. So I'm going to add ketchup and mustard. And you can add other toppings of choice. It looks amazing. And by the way, if you're cooking multiple hot dogs, it might take a little longer than 1 minute. So let's say if you have two, just put it for like 1 minute and 20 seconds and then check. It really depends on your microwave, but you cook them until they're fully heated through and cooked to your liking. And now let's try this hot dog. I'm so excited about trying it. I love hot dogs. So delicious, moist and juicy hot dog on a warm bun. Doesn't get better than that. This is a perfect, super easy lunch or dinner. So if you have hot dogs and hot dog buns at home, if you have a microwave, all it takes is 1 minute and your lunch or dinner is ready. For a free printable recipe and other very easy recipes, please go to my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks, for other easy microwave recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!